I'm bored.
Want to go play hopscotch?
Sure. Okay, let's play. Let's do it. I'll go first. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey guys,
Oh, it's our friend Matt. Hey Matt.
Hey,
what's up?
Not much. Playing hopscotch.
Can I join?
Yeah.
Sure.
Whoa.
Casey's turn.
My turn.
1, 2. Ow! Ow! I think I just tore my ACL. You should have stretched. I'm sorry if I'm not one of the 75% of Americans who don't stretch before physical activity. You interrupted Matt's turn!
I'm stretching. So I do not want to tear my ACL.
Just hopscotch.
3, 4. Casey's here.
All right, to win the match.
Casey's here.
To win the match. 1, 2. What are we? What is this? 1940? Hey! Hey!
I'm thirsty.
Hey! Hopscotch is getting dangerous.
I got some water, guys.
Oh, give me some of that.
Here's some. It's like beer fest all over.
Dasani.